Hello everyone. This will be our 20th video on how to integrate multi-agent systems with AI for process and efficiency analysts to make their jobs easier.
Hello. I'll tell you the truth. Every time we make a change, the show begins, where's the new process? What do we do now? Did someone explain this? And we end up creating meeting manuals or recording videos that no one watches. We spend hours repeating the same thing, answering the same questions, and people still don't understand what to do.
I see this every day. It doesn't matter the sector or the size of the company. That's why the multi-agent system has a subagent that handles this automatically, the materials generator.
And what exactly does it do? Can it really handle all of that?
Yes. Every time a change, improvement, or new implementation is approved, this subagent creates all the necessary content to explain, train, and communicate with the team. Nothing is left to chance.
All the content? What kind of materials does it generate?
Everything you need to make sure no one is left behind. PDF manuals ready to print or share .step by step guides with real-life screenshots of the system, so anyone can follow them. Explanatory videos with voiceover or a corporate avatar to make it more relatable. Visual infographics summarizing key points. Templates ready to send by email, share on Teams, WhatsApp, or any internal channel. Even checklists to ensure each role completes the necessary steps.
And all of this is done on its own? Without anyone having to intervene?
Exactly. The system already has all the relevant information about the change, what was modified, where in the process, what impact it has, and who will be using it. From that, the materials generator produces customized content by role or profile. Because what a salesperson needs to know is not the same as what someone in technical support or administration needs to know.
That's great. Because we often give everyone the same document, and then confusion ensues.
Exactly. A single generic document is often more noise than solution. With this subagent, each person receives only what they need to know. No more, no less. And the best part is that it not only creates the material, it also distributes it intelligently. It automatically uploads it to the shared space you use, Google Drive, SharePoint, etc. It links it to the internal chatbot, which we'll cover in the next video. And if you want, it sends it directly by email or to the internal channels you use, Slack, Teams, WhatsApp, whatever you prefer.
What if we make another change in a month? Do we have to redo everything from scratch again?
No, it's okay. The material updates itself. The material generator detects that something has changed, compares it with the previous version, and updates the corresponding content. It can even keep a history so you can see what was changed and when.
And the quality? Because if a machine does this, does it make sense? I don't want it to seem like a machine translation or a generic text.
He's trained to communicate in clear language, with simple sentences, concrete examples, and a natural style. In fact, teams often value this content more than human-made content because it gets straight to the point. And if you want, you can review and edit it before publishing. But I'll tell you, most companies approve it as it comes out.
And does this save time? Because just putting together a manual takes us 2 or 3 days of intense work. Not to mention making a video or a graphic guide.
Not only does it save you days of work per change, but it also avoids the wear and tear of explaining the same thing 1,000 times. Above all, it ensures something much more important, that your team truly understands what they need to do, how to do it, and when.
Perfect. So, whenever the system implements something new, it also automatically sets everything up so my people understand and use it well from day one.
Exactly. No more outdated manuals, no more confusion, no more delays or errors due to internal miscommunication.
Okay. But what if someone has a specific question? Do I also have to answer it, or does the person in charge of the department?
This is where the next system subagent comes in, the dialogue agent. An intelligent chatbot, trained with all the system's information, capable of answering any question related to processes, tools, or tasks. Available 24/7 for the entire team. I'll tell you more about it in the next video.
If this chatbot works the way you say it does, it'll free me from answering a lot of questions. And that also improves quality of life. I'd like to speak with someone first to clarify a few specific questions I have about specific processes for my company. Can you put me in touch with someone?
If you have any questions or suggestions, just contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada on LinkedIn. He'll be able to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve the lives of people and companies.